Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use credits on DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use your DoorDash credits. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first things first, let's open up DoorDash. Then on the bottom right hand corner, you want to click on Me. Then you want to click on Settings. Then you want to scroll down and click on Payment. So Payment is right over here. Then scroll down even more. You should see the option where it says DoorDash credits. So this is going to show you the remaining credits that you have on your DoorDash account. And it's important to keep in mind that credits will automatically be applied to future orders. You don't need to manually actually apply it. It'll automatically be applied. But if you have a gift card, for example, you can actually click on Redeem Gift Card here. And then this is where you can type in the PIN of the gift card and then redeem it to your account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your DoorDash credits. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.